Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to generate Terraform code to create Filestore instances in GCP with the help of Amazon CodeWhisperer. I have logged into my Google Cloud account. First, let's check whether we have any Filestore instances exist in this account. We don't have any instance in this account. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my Terraform code. Already I have created a service account in GCP and provided necessary permission to create a Filestore instance. I have created keys and downloaded the keys.json file. The keys.json file has all the necessary information to connect to the GCP and create a Filestore instance. Now I am going to add the providers.tf file. All Terraform files should have a .tf extension. Now I am going to give the prompt to the AWS CodeWhisperer. Create Terraform module with required providers as Google version 5.18.0. It has given me the suggestion. I'm happy with that. So pressing tab and accepting the suggestion. Now I'm going to configure the provider. Configure provider with credentials from keys.json. Okay, I'm going to look for the other suggestions. Okay, this looks okay. So I'm going to press tab and accept the suggestion, but I need to change the project ID. Okay, all looks good. So I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm going to create the main.tf file. So here I'm going to give the prompt to the CodeWhisperer for creating a Google Filestore instance with name demo instance. So I'm accepting this. So it has given the file shares. I'm looking for the other suggestions. Okay, this looks okay. So I'm just let me check whether any other suggestion is there. Okay, so I'll go back with the previous suggestion. So I'm going to press tab and accept it. Okay, so I'm going to remove some of the things here. One is the project location, and I'm going to give it as US Central 1-C state message. And here I'm going to give the modes. Okay, what I'm going to do is mode PV4. Okay, maybe I'll just remove the labels also. So this should be networks, not networks config. Okay, the file share's name cannot have an hyphen in it, so I'm going to change it. So I'm going to call it as demo NFS. Also, we need to give the capacity in GB. So I'm going to give it as 1024. Okay, so all good. I'm going to save the changes. So now I'm going to do a Terraform init. Terraform init. It's installing the HashiCorp Google plugin. The Terraform has been successfully initialized. Now I'm going to do a Terraform validate to validate the configuration. The configuration is valid. Now I'm going to do a Terraform plan. So it is going to add one resource, that is a Filestore instance resource. Now I'm going to do a Terraform apply to actually create those resource. So we need to provide the approval. The instance is getting created. It is going to take some time. The Filestore instance, demo instance has been successfully created. Let's go and review that in the UI. Refresh. You would see the instance here. Click that. Here you'll be able to see the overview of the Filestore instance. You can see the NFS mount point, the capacity, the location, VPC network. So what we are going to do now is we are going to mount this in a VM. So I'm going to copy this. I already have created a VM instance in GCP and I have installed the NFS command. So now I'm going to mount the NFS mount point, which we have created now. So before that, first I'm going to create a directory NFS. Okay, then I'm going to do a mount, sudo mount I'm going to give the directory which I have created. So it has got successfully mounted. Let's review that. Okay, it has been successfully mounted. In this demo, we have seen how to generate Terraform code to create a Filestore instance in GCP with the help of Amazon CodeWhisperer. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.